7 fucking 54, let's fucking go. So in shader number 8, within the main function, we have added value units, and we have these value units right here. We have the enumeration for the glass panel, and then we have the stained on bombs red, green, and blue color, right? AKA the color of our glass panel right here. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So in the window cleaner loop, where we're going to select the frontmost window tile, if we scroll all the way down here, we have this new section called Window Licking Son of a Bitch. And we're going to cast our global map coordinate to a int vec so that we can use this p2kxy as a texel fetching coordinate in this macro right here. Inlined macro function get uvec4 p2k. P2k stands for pixel 2000 because our texture is 2048 by 2048. So we're going to get this uvec4 from that texel fetch, and we're going to look at the red channel of the uvec4, and we're going to mask it with binary 1-1 to get the 2-bit GP4 enumeration. Now, if the GP4 enumeration is non-zero, then within this Swizzle My Nizzle section, we are going to extract the red, green, and blue of our stained on bomb panel. And it's a swizzle, right? So GBA, Game Boy Advance, is getting loaded into red, green, and blue. And we have a diagram for that, but we don't have time in the fast code review. So then in render collected binary tiles, if we scroll down here far enough, we've added a section for rendering these panels. And we're not seeing the results we want to see, but we'll figure that out eventually. So we have this new section, right? Son of a bitch panel window renderer, or maybe it stands for stained on bomb window, whatever. Anyways, so right here we're taking the red, green, and blue, and we are normalizing it because the output frag color expects, normalized color, right? And we only do this if the panel type is non-zero. If it's non-zero, then we're going to do this. We're just going to solid swatch of color for now, and we'll do more detailed rendering once we can get visual feedback, but we don't have visual feedback yet. We're screwing something up. We have footnotes and stuff. But, yeah, we're out of time. So, if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Technical demos are here. Source code here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry game called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm open sourcing the code and documenting every single line so you can use the engine.